Good morning, students. Today we'll read about the monohybrid cross of replant. Gregor Mendel, the famous scientist and the first scientist to make systematic study of inheritance. He chosen the pea plant. What is the reason behind the Mendel's success? First, the pea plants may easily be grown in the garden and their management is rather easy. Second, different characters of pea plant are very prominent in expression. Third, flower of pea is bisexual and fertilization occurs normally through self-pollination. Fourth, the floral parts like androecium and gynoecium remain covered by petals and hence the chance of cross-pollination is very rare. For this reason, cross-pollination may be performed in desired manner. So, the monohybrid cross. Mendel's monohybrid experiment cross in as follows. Tall pea plant and dwarf pea plant were selected for experiment. Next, of this one was used as a maternal plant and other as parental plant. For the maternal plant flower, the another were carefully removed. This process is known as emasculation. From the paternal plant, the pollen grain were carefully removed by the brush and they were deposited on the stigma of maternal plant. After this artificial fertilization, the maternal flower was covered with polythene cover. The seeds produced were collected and allowed to germinate. The plant thus produced is F1 generation. F1 generation plant were all the tall. In this next step, Mendel allowed the F1 generation plant to self-pollination. As a result, plants formed can be called as F2 generation. Second generation or F2 generation includes 3 tall plants and 1 dwarf plant. So, the ratio of alternate characters normally tallness and dwarfness appears in the F2 generation as 3:1. This ratio is called monohybrid ratio. In this experiment, only one character, that is tallness, was expressed in F1 generation and alternate characters, dwarfness, remain hidden. Backcross. This is cross which is made between a hybrid and one of its parents. In plant breeding, such cross are performed to improve the variety of the crop plant. For experiment and or example, a crop plant is crossed with a wild variety in other to obtain its disease resistant. Now we'll tell about the test cross. In a monohybrid cross experiment, a dominant phenotype, for example, yellow seeds color may be exhibited by homozygous or heterozygous gamete, that is pure hybrid. The generation of such an offspring can be determined by a simple test derived by Mendel called test cross. A test cross is a cross in which an individual with unknown dominant phenotype is crossed with individual homozygous recessive for the trait. There can be possible genotype as an unknown dominant phenotype as illustrated below. Possibility 1, if the unknown homozygous then crossing with green recessive gives all yellow offspring, that is all capital Y and small y, as shown below. Possibility 2, if the unknown is a heterozygous, then crossing with green recessive result is 50% yellow capital Y and 50% green progeny as shown below. So today we discuss about what is the reason behind the Mendel's success, Mendel's monohybrid cross, back cross and test cross. Next day we will discuss any other topic. So goodbye student today.